Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a benzene ring, which serves as the parent compound. Moving on to the next step. Two substituents are present on the benzene ring. The first is an ethyl group, CH to CH3, attached directly to the ring. The second is a nitro group, NO2, drawn as N+, is equal to O, O attached to the ring. Moving on to the next step. The two substituents are at meta positions relative to each other, 1, 3 positions on the benzene ring. In the structure shown, the ethyl group is at the top of the ring and the nitro group is at the meta 1, 3 position. And for the final step, when naming the substituted benzenes by IUPAC rules, we number the ring to give the substituents the lowest possible locants. We also list substituents alphabetically. Ethyl, E, comes before nitro, N, alphabetically, so ethyl gets the lower locant, 1, and nitro gets position 3, giving 1-ethyl, 3-nitrobenzene. The name 1-ethyl, 3-nitrobenzene correctly describes a benzene ring bearing an ethyl group at C1 and a nitro group at C3, meta relationship, which matches the drawn structure exactly. Therefore, the correct answer is 1-ethyl, 3-nitrobenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.